Hello friends, welcome once again to this step-by-step WordPress tutorial for beginners. In the previous part we were discussing about how to customize a WordPress website, and before the customization I explained you about templates in WordPress, or we can say templates in a WordPress theme. If you will install any other theme, then it will have more templates or less templates, or you can say different type of templates. In this theme we have home page template. Now we have to consider the about section. So to configure the about section in the, let me open this once again. So go to your dashboard. From here click on customize, and after clicking on customize click on home section, and from here you can choose the about us section. Now you can either enable or disable this section. So the about section that you are seeing here is this particular section where you can see something like this. So let's copy this. Now or for about section we have to create an about us page basically, and that about us page is not created right now. So we will go back to our dashboard and we will add a new page. So we will add a new page here, and this page will be called about us. So we can write some about us content here. For now I'm copying this demo content whatever is written here. So in about us page we mostly write about the vision of company, the mission of company, and why the organization was founded. So you can write some vision here. So I'm writing the dummy content, but when you will create about page for a real business, so you will write something like this: vision, mission, aim. So I am simply pasting some dummy content here. Now you have to watch one thing very carefully, that in our template with about us page there is a square featured image. So this featured image is a square image. So we will again go back to freepix.slidescope.com so that we can get some about us image, and we have digital marketing agency, so we can post an image which is for digital marketing. Let's say this image is good, so we will use this image in the about us part. Now I will use my snipping tool and I will simply cut this image. This is now pretty much a square image. I will simply save this image. So now I will save this image as about us DG agency. So giving suitable names to your image will help you in identifying your images. Now this image is saved. Again, there are various ways of downloading image. There are various sources of downloading image. There are various ways of creating an image. So you can use a tool like Canva or Photoshop or Corel Draw or any other type of image editing tool that you use. The main motive is create some image that best explains your business, that best explains the about us part of your business. Now to apply a featured image here, we again will go to the page part, and from here we will select the featured image, and now we have to set the featured image. Here we will simply upload the files. So I have selected this image, and describe the purpose of your image. This is about us image. So in the all the alternate text, always mention the purpose of your image. It is also good for search engine optimization purpose. Now we will publish this page right now. Now once the page is published, we will go back to appearance and customize, and in the customize part, in the home section, we will go to about us section, and here it is asking us to select a page. So from here we will select the about us page, and now you can see that this about us page is now set up. Don't forget to hit publish here. Now let's see how our website is looking. So we can copy this and then we can click paste the URL here. So now you can see in the first part we have set up the slider, and here we have set up the about us. So now we have created two sections of the home page. Now in the next part we will set up the frequently asked questions page.